A rectangular court for basketball is to be placed in a local park. The length of the court is to be 12 feet more than the width, and the area is to be 3,100 square feet. Find the dimensions of the court. So here's the diagram. We're going to let x be the width of that rectangle. So x is the width. And we're given that the length is 12 feet more. So the length is x plus 12. We're also given that the area of the court is 3,100 square feet. We're going to use the formula for the area of a rectangle. So length times width is area. And we're going to substitute for L and for W. So the length is x plus 12, and the width is x, and the area is 3,100. So we're going to distribute the x through the parentheses. X times x, x squared, plus x times 12, 12x, equals 3,100. We're going to subtract 3,100 from both sides, and we get x squared plus 12x minus 3,100 equals 0. We're now using the zero factor theorem, and we're factoring. So by some trial and error, we see that the factors are x plus 62 and x minus 50. We're now going to proceed to come up with values for x. So going to the next page, our equation x squared plus 12x minus 3,100 equals 0. We were able to factor it as x plus 62 times x minus 50, and that equals 0. So we set x plus 62 equals 0. Subtracting 62 from both sides, we get x is negative 62. Or x minus 50 equals 0. Adding 50 to both sides, we get x equals 50. But the width cannot be a negative number. So negative 62 is not a possible solution. So the width must be 50 feet, and the length is 50 plus 12, or 62 feet. We can check this, and we check it by taking 50 times 62, and sure enough, that is 3,100.